Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to delete your TopResume account. Okay, so if you have created any account on their website, how you can delete it? First of all, you need to visit on the official website topresume.com and you need to log in into your account which you want to delete. And once you're logged in into your account, you will see this kind of window. Okay, on this kind of window you will see there is a option in the very top side, like setting gear icon. Okay, you need to select this option and you will see there is a button like setting account setting option. Once you tap on this option, it will pop up this kind of window and you need to scroll down. And once you scroll down at very bottom side, there is a option like delete account. But make sure once you delete your account, it cannot be undo and the account deletion process is permanent. Okay, and you can click on delete my account and delete account, and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your you can delete your account of TopResume. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.